Hello, in this video I will tell you how you can open a business in 2023. So, let's take a look at 10 business ideas that you can implement in 2023 and make good money. 10 best businesses to start in 2023. Content marketing. If you're a good writer and have something valuable to say, content writing and blogging could be the perfect business for you in 2023. In today's digital world, more and more businesses are in need of high-quality content. From blogs to website copy to ebooks, there's a huge demand for writers who can produce engaging, well-written content. For this online business idea, you can either start your own blog and generate income through advertising or work with businesses as a freelance writer. If you choose to work with businesses, you can offer your services on freelancer sites like Fiverr or Upwork. Virtual assistants. As businesses increasingly move online, the demand for virtual assistants is also on the rise. A virtual assistant is basically an online personal assistant. As a virtual assistant, your job will be to help other businesses with a variety of tasks, including scheduling appointments, managing email accounts, and more. To get started as a virtual assistant, you can create a profile on sites like Zirtual and Upwork. Once you have a profile set up, you can start applying for jobs. Web development and design. If you're good with computers and have an eye for design, web development and design could be the best business to start in 2023. In today's digital world, nearly every business needs a website. As a web developer or designer, you can help other businesses create the perfect website for their needs. To get started in this business, you'll need to learn some basic coding and web design skills. If you don't have these skills yet, you can take some online courses to learn them. Once you have the necessary skills, you can start offering your services on freelancer sites. Digital marketing. As more small businesses move online, they need to find new ways to reach their target audiences. That's where digital marketing comes in. As a digital marketer, your job will be to help businesses promote their products or services online. This can involve search engine optimization, SEO, creating and managing social media marketing posts, developing paid marketing campaigns for pay-per-click and social media platforms, managing the online reputation. Affiliate marketing. Many people swear by affiliate marketing, which makes it another great online business idea for 2023. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards an affiliate for each new customer that they bring to their site. As an affiliate marketer, your job will be to drive traffic to a business's website and then earn a commission on any sales that you generate. To get started in affiliate marketing, you'll need to find businesses that offer affiliate programs. Some examples of businesses that offer affiliate programs include Amazon, ClickBank, and CJ Affiliate. Once you've found a few businesses that offer affiliate programs, you can start promoting their products on your blog or social media accounts. Graphic design. If you have an eye for design, graphic design could be the perfect business for you to start in 2023. In today's digital world, successful businesses need high-quality graphics for their websites, social media platforms, and marketing materials. And, as a graphic designer, you can help them create those graphics. To get started in this business, you'll need to learn some basic design skills. If you don't have these skills yet, there are plenty of online courses that you can take to learn them. Some examples of online courses include Udemy, Skillshare, and lynda.com. Once you have the necessary skills, you can start offering your services on freelancer sites. Food delivery service. Another great small business idea for 2023 is a food delivery service. With more and more people working from home, there is a growing need for food delivery services. While operating a food delivery service, your job will be to deliver food from restaurants to people's homes. To get started in this business, you'll need to find a few local restaurants that are willing to partner with you. Once you have a few partners, you can start promoting your service on your blog or through social media platforms. You can also sign up for a food delivery service like DoorDash or Postmates. Sell your crafts. If you're a creative person, one of the best small business ideas to start in 2023 is selling your crafts. This can include anything from paintings and sculptures to jewelry and clothes. To get started, you'll need to create a portfolio of your work. You can then start promoting your business on your blog or social media accounts. You can also sell your crafts on sites like Etsy and Amazon Handmade or at local craft fairs and consignment shops. There are numerous opportunities for selling your crafts, so you'll need to get creative and think outside the box. Dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a type of online business in which you sell products that are shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. As a dropshipper, your job will be to find suppliers, create a website, and then promote your products. When a customer orders one of your products, you will simply place an order with the supplier and have the product shipped directly to the customer. To get started in dropshipping, you'll need to find a supplier and create a website. You can then start promoting your products on your blog or social media accounts. You can also sign up for an e-commerce platform like Shopify or BigCommerce. App development. With more and more people using smartphones, there is a growing need for apps. And, as an app developer, you can help small businesses meet this demand. Apps are used by a variety of industries, so there is always a need for an app developer. To get started in this business, you'll need to learn how to code or hire someone who knows how to code. Some resources that can help you learn how to code include Codecademy, Udacity, and Treehouse. Once you have the necessary skills, you can start offering your services on freelance writing sites. Or you can build your own app and sell it on the App Store or Google Play. Thank you for watching. I will be glad if you get any benefit from my video. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Every week we will release useful videos about new business ideas that you can also consider it in order to start your own business and